start out here talking about winter wheat, and we've got several different types of winter wheat here. This plot that I'm standing in is a forage winter wheat. It's a variety called Willow Creek, and it is a very, very long season forage. It's probably the longest season winter cereal that you can plant. You can see this stuff is not even thinking about heading out yet, where the other wheats and the triticales and the rye are all either fully headed or almost fully headed. So Willow Creek, the fit that it has would be you plant it and it's the last thing that you graze, because it will hold its forage quality the deepest into the spring and even the early summer as any of the winter cereals.
Yeah, and one of the problems we run into when people are trying to do a forage system based mostly on annuals is that the winter annuals, most of the winter annuals really lose their quality once they head out, which happens usually in mid-May, and the summer annuals really aren't ready to graze until July. So that leaves a month to 6 weeks with really poor quality forage or no forage. So the Willow Creek, because it heads out so much later than your other winter cereals, it can plug that gap for high quality forage, and that's something we're very excited about.
So kind of that mid-May to mid-June summer slump, it can kind of help fill that little niche there.
Yeah.
And you can tell it's about the same height as the other wheats. Based on what we've seen in the past, this Willow Creek is going to get another, I would say, 18 inches to 24 inches of growth before it fully heads out. So there's a lot of forage potential to come yet on this one.
Yeah, it's not very impressive looking now. In a month, this will be phenomenal, leafy, tall, dense forage. This will be brown.
It'll be straw.
It'll be straw.
Okay.
Right.